Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again. Tile Tool Tuesday. Quick 5-minute segment on this tool here, oscillating multi-tool. Now this has got to be one of the most used tools other than a impact gun, screw gun, drill, your tile cutters and tile saws. This is used daily. This speeds up time. This tool is amazing. This tool is one of the most widely used tools for kitchen remodeling, bath and shower remodeling. A ton of uses for it. Yes, this tool is dirty. It is used. It's been dropped from 4, 5, 6 feet on numerous occasions. It still works like it's brand new. Made by Dewalt. This is a brushless multi-tool. And we'll also review this. 20 multi-tool blades for around 20 bucks. As usual, links will be in the description below for information on these. Pricing, specs, you name it. This can be used to cut down door casing, a door frame, to accept tile for a tile flooring job. With this diamond bit, it can be used to clear out thin set that is already cured to insert your lippage clip for an anti-lippage system. Alright, so you got your diamond bit here. Clear out space in order to accept this clip. Here we go. Take your clip. Insert it into the cavity that you just created, and then continue setting. We use this to cut out flanges, to remove fiberglass surrounds. It's used to cut open drywall, cut holes, squares, you name it. As well as foam board, Schluter, Curdy board, Go board, all foam boards. We also use this to cut ABS for your drain kit in your shower. It has a quick change accessory here to quickly change out your blades. It has a dual grip variable speed trigger. Bright LED light. And that is all for the specs. Let's quickly bring the camera up close, show you this unit here. We'll also open up this 20 blade box kit for a little over 20 bucks. Do not buy your blades at Home Depot, do not buy them at Lowe's, do not buy them at Harbor Freight, especially. They burn out quick and they're very expensive. These blades run about $1 a piece. Let's bring the camera in and show you. We will start with the multi-tool. As you can obviously see, it's been used a lot. We purchased this 2 to 3 years ago. Use it on a daily basis. It's been dropped, it's been used and abused, and it still runs like it is brand new. Thin set all over it, doesn't stop any of the performance. Here's your quick release. Simply pull this trigger down here, release your blade, and quickly insert a new blade. Just like that. Again, it has a variable speed trigger. The trigger can be locked here. You have screw holes here to add a belt clip, which helps out a lot as well. And those are the details. Let's talk about the blades. We'll quickly move on to this. The $20 box of multi-tool blades. Link in the description below. Go check it out. It includes plaster blades, drywall blades, wood blades, metal blades, you name it. The quality is great. We've been buying these blades for a long time now. Here's a new blade here. wood and metal. We've been using this blade for our current project. It has cut ABS, metal, wood, foam board, and it's still going strong. So a fantastic deal with these 20 blades. I think it runs about 22 bucks and includes a small carrying case. Now, obviously, we are married to Dewalt and Dewalt's platform. They all do about the same thing. Now, this Dewalt has been very good to us under a lot of use and abuse. And that is it for this quick 5-minute segment. Dewalt oscillating multi-tool, $20 box of 20 multi-tool blades. Thanks for watching this quick video, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment, and share if you know anybody who might find this video useful. And I'll see you on the next one.